Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Amazon Influencer Storefront link. Let's get started. Everything is managed through the Amazon app, which is the brown icon with a smile on it. Open the Amazon app on your device, and once you're on the home screen, scroll to the bottom where you'll see a person-shaped icon. Tap on it to open your account section. Inside your account, scroll until you find the area labeled Amazon Influencers. Within this section, you'll notice a slider with several buttons. Tap on the one labeled Your Storefront. This will open your influencer storefront, where you can view all your uploaded posts, videos, and product recommendations. To get your storefront link, look for the small upward arrow inside a box next to your profile icon. Tap on it, and a list of sharing options will appear. You can share your storefront link directly through various social platforms or simply tap copy to place the link on your clipboard. Once copied, you can paste it anywhere you'd like, such as on your Facebook page, in an email, or any other platform where you promote your storefront. And that's it. That's how you can easily find and share your Amazon Influencer Storefront link.